Benefits of body wash: less drying for the skin, saves your time. A little goes a long way. More hygienic than a bar soap, easy to rinse off. Dove Beauty Bar is a mild moisture-rich soap, so it can replenish the skin's moisture that could help acne-prone skin, which is typically dry and dehydrated, and overproduces oil in response to the dryness, clogging pores and causing acne. Sunburn. Aloe vera gel has cooling properties and is anti-inflammatory. It helps to moisturize the skin, boosts healing of wounds, fights skin aging, reduces infection and acne, lightens blemishes on the face. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is highly rich in antioxidants, prevent skin damage, restore the skin's natural health. Now store the mixture in a bottle and use it while taking a bath.